Hello YouTube, my name is Eddie, and today I'm gonna bring you into my new build. I'm restarting my channel. I haven't posted in a long time. I actually didn't plan any of this, so this first video is gonna kind of be everywhere. I got a new bike from IA, a 2008 Yamaha R1 that I got for real cheap, and it's loaded with surprises. I had no idea all that bike had. In the next clips, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the trip to go get it, and then after that, I'm gonna show you the bike that is sitting right here next to me. We're gonna take a look at everything that's wrong with it, everything that it needs, and all the upgrades that the bike had. So follow me through this journey, don't forget to subscribe, and let's cue up that trip.
Hello YouTube! In today's episode, we're gonna go and pick up a 2008 wrecked Yamaha R1. Alright, so let's see if it will start. Oh, I hit the fuel pump. Let's see. Okay. It does start. Nice. Jeez, look at those mufflers. Alright guys, so we got the bike loaded up and we're gonna go ahead and take another 4.5 hour trip to Philly, and we're gonna take it down and then take a look at it, check it out, and see what's wrong with it. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so we finally got the bike home. This is the bike right here, 2008 Yamaha R1. As you can see, it looks like it had a custom paint job. It looked like it took a crap on the front. It's missing the whole front end. The forks are straight, they're not bent. Everything is good there. Right here, this little thing broke off here. I don't know if you can see it. Give me 1 second. All right, there. That piece broke off, so I'm gonna order this. That's where the stator goes. So I'm gonna order the stator cover because it's banged up over there. Other than that, this side is good. I took the cover off the front sprocket just to make sure that it was an aftermarket one, like the rear one. It took a hit right here, but with the new fairings, it's gonna bring that cover. See this ripped over there, fairings all broken up. The Toast exhaust got some rashes there. Other than that, the bike looks to be in good shape. This one also cracked, so and it got damaged right here, so I'm also gonna order that. But yeah, other than that, it looks good. It has oil. I don't know if you can see it in the side glass. Probably not, but it has a good amount of oil. And it looks good. So there's a few things that I discovered on the bike while I was going through it, and that is that almost everything on this bike is upgraded. The handlebar also broke over here, and this part right here, the control for the headlights. So all that is gonna get replaced. Now, let's go through all the upgrades that this bike came with. So for starter, it has the Öhlins steering damper,
That costs around $450 or something like that. So we're gonna start doing the math. I'm gonna do the math of everything that's installed on this bike. So only steering damper. We got core braided brake lines, PSR reservoirs for front and back, and we got the lines here too. We got upgraded rotors, Arachi upgraded rotors in the front and the back. We got upgraded rear sets. We got some of these engine protectors. The one on that side is good. The one on this side broke off and I took it off. We got this frame slider over here. Again, the one on this side broke off, so I took it off. It has -1 tooth in the front and it has +1 tooth in the back with the rear sprockets. It has a brand new chain. I mean, it looks brand new. Has to be clean. It has a Toast exhaust, which is, I believe it's like 850 bucks. It has aftermarket levers. All right, so I popped the gas tank up and looked on the air box, and I found an aftermarket air box, which I'm gonna put the picture up right now because I took it apart and put the air box back together, and I can't find my my drill right now to take it off. I ordered a bunch of parts. It was like $900 worth of parts to get this bike back together. I ordered the handlebars, the front stay or the front cowl, however you call it. I ordered the headlights, the fairing kit, the light wiring harness. There's a bunch of stuff that I ordered. So I saw that these clips were off, and it got me to take it off and check, and it looks like it's tuned by Toast. And that's another 250 bucks. So we're gonna add up all these parts. And then after we add up all these parts, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much I paid for the bike. So we went through everything in the bike, and now we're gonna try to turn it on and see how she sounds. Fuel pump priming, kill switch. Sounds good and healthy. Alright guys, so now that we saw all the upgrades that the bike came with and how much they cost, now I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for the bike. So the buy it now price was $1,250, $1,250. After IA fees and all that, it was $1,800 bucks. I had to go to Syracuse, New York from Philly, so that was 4 hours and 15 minutes. And it was $100 of gas plus the tolls. So let's say all in all, it was $2,000 for the bike, right? I spent around 950 bucks in parts. So for a little less than 3,000 bucks, I got this 08 R1. Technically, the upgraded parts is almost what I paid for the bike, which is crazy. So this was a really good deal to me. Well, that's it for this video. On the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and install some of those parts, install the handlebar so I could test ride it, take all those fairings out, clean it up, and just take another look at the whole bike and see if there's anything else wrong with it, which I doubt. I gave it a pretty good look over, but you never know, you can miss things with this stuff on and stuff. So I'm gonna check it out in the next video. We're gonna go into more detail, we're gonna test ride it, and then I'm gonna show you some of the parts that I bought and some of the parts that are coming. I'm not gonna reveal how it's gonna look yet. It's not gonna be anything crazy like this color combination, but It's gonna be something nice, something simple, something elegant. So don't forget to subscribe so you can follow this build. Leave any comments, any questions that you guys have. I'm gonna try to answer as much as I can. And until next video, again, don't forget to subscribe.